Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk with part 6 of my PowerShell series. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add another button, and we're going to call it a reboot button or restart, and it's literally going to restart your computer. So that way, um, when you check the uptime, and this is the application we created, and if you're just finding this video, this is part 6. I would go back to part 1 where I show you how to build this whole thing from scratch. Add the label, text box, run button, clear button, how to program it, and it's really simple, really easy. I take it a little bit at a time, and if you type the computer name incorrectly and you hit run, it's going to return the uptime or the last boot time of your computer. And if you hit clear, it'll clear. If you hit exit, it will exit. And today's video, we're going to go ahead and go back into the program, and we're going to finish editing this. So like I said, if you didn't watch part 1 through 5, I would really encourage you to go back. I actually show you how to create message boxes and things like that. And I'm going to just slowly build on this, just add in little things. And if there's something you're looking for specifically, please leave me a comment below. I will be more than happy to create a video specifically for you. All right, so let's go ahead and add a run button. Now, we've already added 3 buttons. So we don't have to go get crazy and build one from scratch. We can literally copy one of the other ones. So let's just hit exit here, and then we'll take so the one that we want is probably the exit button because it's the closest one to where we need to put it. So let's go to the exit button, and we'll go ahead and just copy this whole thing right here. Do control copy, and then let's just go control V, and then right here at where we have the exit button written, we're going to say reboot button. That way we know what it is, and then we're going to go and we're going to just change the name of this button. So um, we can just say reboot, and then I can just go ahead and do control copy, control V. I mean, if you can type quicker. Um, So I'm just gonna, oops, let's undo that. So I'm just gonna change all these exit buttons to, I'm gonna change the exit button to reboot button. So as you can see, anywhere in here that it said exit button, I just changed to reboot button. And now if we hit play, you're not gonna see it because it's hiding behind the exit button. So, or it is the exit button. So what we need to do is we need to change this new exit button to be whatever you want to name it. And matter of fact, the reboot button, you can name that anything you want. That's up to you. So we're going to just say reboot. And then now let's hit play and see if we can see it, if it's on top. So as you can see, it's sitting underneath here. So now what am I going to do? We're going to hit exit, and we're going to move that over. So let's just start with going to, let's say 360. Let's just change because we want the location to be, we don't want to change the 70 because that tells you what line and it's going to be in line with all of these other buttons. So let's just try 370 to see what happens, and we'll hit play, and then we hit OK, and we're just about there. So we can just move it, maybe to 370. Obviously, you can readjust this later, but that pretty much gives you the idea of what you're looking to do. So we're kind of even. We could actually shift all of them over, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So now all we need to do is create the reboot click event. So now we just need to copy one of the click events and then add our code. So I'm going to hit exit. And as you can see, the reboot button is reboot button underscore click. So we could just copy this, do Control copy, and then we can go up here where we got all of the click events chilling out. Let's find our click event. So we got the click event here. So the exit button click event. So I'm going to go ahead and just make some space here. And I'm just going to go Control V. And then we can just do equals. And then we need the fancy brackets here. We're going to put a squirrely bracket after that, and then we're going to hit enter a few times, and then we're going to do, we want to do the squirrely bracket close first, and then the other bracket last. And now we put the click event in, and the command for to restart the computer is literally restart dash computer. And that's it. You are officially done. Now, if you go back and we hit play, I'm not going to show you because it'll end my video recording, but if you click this button now, your computer most certainly is going to restart. So this is going to be a short one today. I know it's still 6 minutes. It still took me 6 minutes to show you how to reboot a computer, but that's pretty much it. Please let me know if you have any ideas or anything you want to learn. I'll be more than happy to show you. I'm going to slowly build on this course. I'm not sure which direction I'm going in yet, but I think I'm going to start getting into the change this so that this will actually search an Active Directory for a computer name. All right, thank you for watching and have a great night. And please consider hitting that like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, thank you. Bye.